Hello, and welcome back to Hints or Rabbit Holes. I guess I'll call it that. If you guys got a better name, leave it in the comments. And be nice, okay? The chapter I'm going to talk about is important literature. Now, the first thing in this chapter is all the rabbit holes. In fact, there's so many, you could call it Prairie Dog Town instead. It has as many rabbit holes as that drawing on page 99 does. Now, an important fact everybody should know is that the book took Forrest Fenn 6 weeks to write, and the poem took 15 years. So what should we pay more attention to, the book or the poem? That's why I'm trying to find the strong hints and rule out the rabbit holes. Alrighty then, on with the video. There are 3 things that stand out to me. First, the little girl in Borders. You know, the one with the braids? Here is what is said in The Thrill of the Chase. Just as I was about to ask the little girl at the computer about those authors, she raised her coffee cup to take a sip, and I swear that cup all but covered her whole face. I thought maybe she was trying to hide. Anyway, she finished sipping. She gave me a nice smile and made me feel better, and asked me to please follow her as she regaled me with the reasons why we are so lucky to have great books in our lives. Now, you might have caught it there when it's out of context. He never asked her where anything was, much less those books. We all know Finn is a wordsmith, and that mistake he wouldn't make. Was he paying homage to the writers by this mistake? The second thing is he never heard of J.D. Salinger. We all know that wasn't true, but he let us know without question that it was a lie. He knew Ronald Reagan, and President Reagan was shot by Hinckley. And one of the reasons was because of The Catcher in the Rye. So what's he telling us there? The third, Finn was given a book by a kid. Now, I know Finn writes talking like a kid when he's writing about his youth, but this kid brought his self-confidence down to the bottom. But he just got motivated by J.D. to write his autobiography at age 79. No kid's going to bring down his self-confidence in the same sentence. Also, the only mention of religion is his church is the mountains and river valleys, much less a religious book, and a Muslim book at that. In conclusion, he's letting us know these 3 things. He makes a big writing mistake to pay homage to those authors that he had ridiculed in this chapter. Then he let us know he lied about J.D. Salinger. And it has to do with the book with Muslim religion in it, or A Long Way Around for something about dirt. These are, in my opinion, things I haven't heard others talk about, and or things that stand out more than other hints or rabbit holes. Come to your own conclusion. Leave me a comment. I'll respond to all of them. One last thing for you northern state searchers. The motto for the New Mexico State University, it's be bold. If you like what I'm doing here, then hit the subscribe and the like buttons. It will help my channel out a lot, and I thank you. Besides, I'm about to show you a photo of my dog Bullet, and if you can say no to that face, I don't know how, I sure can't. You guys take care. Thanks again.